Thank you for purchasing the Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight camera, our most precise security camera, designed with advanced features such as 4K HDR video, ultra-wide field of view, premium two-way audio, enhanced color night vision, and integrated spotlight. In this video, we'll show you how to install the Arlo Ultra 2 system in just 5 simple steps. First, you'll need to download the Arlo app, select Add Device, Cameras, then Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight Camera. The app will prompt you to connect your SmartHub to your router using an Ethernet cable. And then to power the SmartHub, your phone and SmartHub must be on the same network for them to automatically connect. Once connected, you'll then be asked to name your Arlo SmartHub. After naming the SmartHub, it will check for and automatically update the firmware. Next, you'll be prompted to insert the battery into your camera. Just remove the housing from the camera and insert the battery with the logo facing up. With the battery inserted, the SmartHub will automatically detect the camera and ask you to select the serial number of the camera you'd like to pair. Find a location with a clear vantage point and a strong signal. Position the camera to take maximum advantage of the Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight camera's 180-degree view. If you want to install the magnetic charging cable, you can place the extra wire in the mount to hide any unneeded slack in the cable. This step is completely optional. Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight camera's modular design also prevents accidental dropping of the camera when you're changing batteries. Its built-in catch catches the camera as it slides out from the housing. The kit includes all the necessary mounting hardware. When your camera is mounted, select Continue, and the app will prompt you to select a camera and to select a free trial of Arlo Smart Security. Arlo Smart Security is a powerful verification and monitoring system that uses artificial intelligence to put you in control of your home security. For greater peace of mind, Arlo Smart Security includes cloud recording, 30-day video history, package detection, cloud activity zones, and more. Because we know you'll love the added security that Arlo Smart provides, we've included a 3-month free trial with every product. Congratulations! Your Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight camera is now active. Press Finish, and you're ready to enjoy greater peace of mind with ultimate security from your Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight camera. And rest assured, with Arlo's Privacy Pledge, your data and videos remain secure, private, and in your control. Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight camera, our most precise security camera. Arlo. Connect, prevent, protect.